Hey guys, it's Julia and I am going to vlog this weekend. So it is Friday currently and tomorrow is my junior prom, so I just decided I was going to vlog the experience, you know? Anyways, I got my nails done today. So they're white and then this one is like a little bit of pink and has a silver ombre, and my toes are also white. I'll show you my dress tomorrow, but it is a two-piece and the top is pink, but it has like a little bit of like silver glitter in it, so hence the silver on my nails. And then the bottom is all white and it has a bunch of pink flowers going up it. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's really pretty. I love it and I'm so excited about it. I had to prepare a little bit more today, so we just got back from Charming Charlie's and Walgreens, so I'll show you what I got. I haven't really decided on what earrings I want, but I got silver hoops because I have a bunch of different sized gold ones. I thought I might as well just get silver hoops for whatever reason. And then I got these dangly earrings, and I also found a bracelet that matches. I got foundation. I like never wear foundation and I figured I would need a new foundation for prom. I didn't want anything like super full coverage, so the lady there said that this foundation is actually really good. I'll let you know how I feel about it when it's all on my face. And then I got 2 of the same lashes, you know, just in case. And I really like these ones. I've worn these ones before. And then I got this NYX color corrector palette. I figured this would just be nice to have for anything I need in the future, or if I do other people's makeup and I might need it for some reason. But I do cheer and I have this. But in about an hour, I'm gonna head over to one of my friends' houses and we're gonna do like a pre-prom night. So just head over in comfy clothes and she's gonna have pizza and snacks there. We might watch some movies, do some face masks and stuff. So I'm excited for that. Hey friends, I look like an extremely tired mess right now, but I am still in my neighborhood, by the way. I am going to drive to the grocery store to pick up some like fruits and veggies for everyone before they come over to get ready. So that's what I'm up to right now, but I'm so excited for today. And last night was a lot of fun. Yeah, we did like face masks and watched a movie and just talked, and it was a lot of fun. Hey everyone, the girls are over and my mom is doing my hair right now, and I did my makeup, got everything done.
I only knew those lyrics.
I'm gonna leave in probably about like 45 minutes. I have to go pick up one of my friends and then we're gonna head over to my other friend's house for dinner and pictures, and I'm excited. I'm wearing foundation. I haven't worn foundation in such a long time. I don't really own foundation, so I showed you yesterday I got the number 7, but I kind of like it. Like I like the finish to it, but it's creasing in like my smile lines and like a little bit up here, but whatever, it's fine. I powdered it, so hopefully it won't really go anywhere, but we shall see. The bathroom is a mess, but this is my dress. The top is like sparkly and in the back it's kind of crisscross, and then this is my dress all the way down. So it goes all the way down to the floor and it has a bunch of different flowers on it and I love it. And then I put on my bracelet, and I don't know if you can see, but my earrings also match my bracelet. Yay! And my mom finished my hair. I don't know if you can see it. I feel like a princess though, you know? Oh, there's the lighting. Oh, say hi.
I think I do want you next to me.
Can we stop, please? That means I had enough. Oh my God.
With the idea of you, 'cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me?
Look at that highlight. When yours is popping. Really? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I'd fly this whole world to
Ow,
If I could be
ow.
in paradise.
Hey?
Are you guys ready for prom? Yeah. Are you ready for prom?
No.
Hey, let's talk about
Yeah, I am. Are you excited for prom? Hello? Are you excited? Yeah, we honestly should. Yeah, me too, right?
Let me just give Julia a roll.
Hey. We're all gonna walk in at the same time so we look cool, you know.
Oh my god!
Our tickets though, isn't that
So cute. It's so cute. Yeah, we all parked right next to each other. This is great. We're all gonna walk in at the same time. Oh yes.
Ryan, I got here
Wait, are you
first.
recording this? Wait.
I got here
Wait,
first.
who got here first? Wait, really?
Yeah,
Really? I didn't know that.
got here
Listen, 2 lines, boys and girls, either side.
Ryan got here first.
I did.
Hey. Squad is
I'm Julia
rolling on it.
Is this for the YouTube channel?
It is.
Oh,
I am vlogging.
Oh my god, I'm a huge fan.
Yeah,
Can I get your
you're in the
autograph?
vlog. Yeah, you can.
Actually, I'll take you up on that.
Hey, you're too far ahead of us. We gotta roll in at the same time, you know?
Everyone else
You know?
run.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me.
Let's go.
I hear the music this way.
I hear it in both.
Come on. Hustle. Hey!
It's prom. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Oh my god!
How do you feel post prom?
I'm so tired.
How do you feel post prom? Now we're in and out. Liz, how do you feel post prom?
Strax. You know what? If I'm gonna be honest, she had to
Sit on your dress.
the ego. If I'm gonna be honest, is this mine?
I'm gonna be honest.
If I'm gonna be honest, said the night. I'm really tired. Hey, Dad.
Hey, what happened? If you're honest.
I'm confused. Like, she's honest, but she hasn't said anything.
Oh yes. Oh yes. It is for the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Is this the prom vlog?
Yeah, I'm vlogging
Oh my gosh,
prom.
hey. You're gonna be-
Wow, that's really cute.
All right, everyone. It is currently like 2 a.m. and we are back at my house. A little slap happy, I'm not gonna lie. We have Asada and Micaiah and Liz. And I don't really know what's going on, but prom was really fun. I had a great time. So,
Water's so much better than In-N-Out water. So much better. In-N-Out water's not delicious.
hey.
And you can't see? Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey everyone. We're currently at a Walgreens because Micaiah wants ice cream. So we're getting ice cream. Are you excited to get your ice cream? Hopefully, yeah, hopefully we can find $1.
Yeah, I haven't had these in like 15 years.
Yum. Liz, what did you get?
I got not only one cheese box, but two cheeses box for $4.
Oh yes,
Deal. What
it's
a
a steal.
I'm just gonna get the classic sprinkle.
Hey everyone, it is Sunday, the day after prom. My hair is a little crazy because I haven't washed it or anything yet. The girls ended up leaving. I am very, very tired, but I had a great time last night and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me and hit that subscribe button down below. I will be posting more videos during this summer and during next school year. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!